Hello everyone, it's Mr. Young. I hope everyone's doing well and staying healthy. In order to make sure that everyone gets set up on and knows how to use Google Classroom, the school's new online learning platform, I thought it might be helpful to make a few instructional videos. I should say at the very beginning that you don't need to watch all of the videos. They're meant as a resource to help you out if you're having trouble. If you already know how to do what's explained in the video, by all means skip it and move to the next video. And I'll try to leave a list. All the videos will be included in a playlist and the links will be in the description below. But basically, the first video I will talk about how to install the Google Chrome browser. You don't have to use the Google Chrome, but there are certain advantages that Google Chrome has, and we'll talk about that in the first video. The second video will be about how to create a Gmail account. And again, most of you guys probably have already done that. And if so, you don't need to watch that. The third one, how to register for Google Classroom. Same thing, if you've done it, you don't need to worry about it. But if you're just joining us, if you're having trouble getting in, then that may be a good one to watch. The fourth thing is how to change your profile picture. I know a few of you have done that with Schoology already. Similar process, but it's really your face with the rest of the school, with the teachers and with your fellow students. So that's an important step. I'll show you how to do that if you haven't done that yet. Fifth thing is how to submit an assignment in Google Classroom. Similar to Schoology, but a little bit different. I'll show you how to do that. And the last thing is how to use the teleconferencing software for the virtual classrooms. Again, many of you have already done that. If you have, then you may not need to see that. I will be talking about Jitsi first because my understanding is most of the other teachers are using Jitsi. Some may be using Zoom though too, so I may add Zoom in as well. And I may add a few other ones depending on need. So without further ado, I will change my background magically and sit back, relax, and enjoy the videos.